Hi, my name is Shiloh. Hi, my name is Shaun. Welcome to Shiloh's baking series on Shaun and Shiloh's channel. That took long to say. But hi guys, so today we are going to be doing something so epic you will not believe your eyes. So, our trusty servants, I need you to get me 3 boxes of cake mix.
I'm sorry, but we're out of stock, but we only have Peppa Pig. So,
I guess let's just go with the Peppa Pig. Come on, let's get. So, right now we have this trusty cake mix, and we are going to make some cupcakes. Peppa Pig cupcakes. No, we're not doing this. Splat! Yeah, no, we're not doing that. We're going to put chocolate biscuit instead. Okay, so anyway, let's start. So, trusty servant, I need a bowl and a spoon. Thanks. Okay, so we're going to unbox number 1.
I want to unbox number 2.
Then I'll unbox number 3. We have these cake molds.
Fake pockets.
And we have these edible cake molds. This. And we also have another cake mix. And a bigger cake mix.
In the second part, what's in the second part?
Oh wait, what was with this?
The exact same thing!
What
Yay!
was with this?
Epic Peppa Pig stickers.
Okay, let's see what's in the third box.
And more.
Probably gonna be the same thing, right?
This
Right.
must be edible.
No, they're not. They are. They're cupcake molds. Got more cupcake molds, they're not edible. Just remember that, kids.
Yay, more stickers!
More mixes.
Yay!
And more cool stickers.
Epic Peppa Pig stickers.
This is one the opposite of what Peppa wears.
Peppa wears Peppa, but why is George wearing
The opposite of Peppa. I mean, the boots are fine, but the top, what's wrong with the top? Anyway, let's continue. So, let's start with the cake mix. Shaun, get me a knife.
do you need a butter knife?
Any knife will do. First, we're going to have to put all the cake mix in, and then we're going to put the chocolate icing to make it taste like chocolate, right? Yeah, that's a smart idea.
Wait, how do I know which one's the big cake mix? These two are the big cake mix.
Yay! Next one.
Oh yeah, the instructions. But put your cupcake cases in a bun tray ready for later.
No, we're not doing that now.
Empty the sponge milk sachet into a large bowl and add an egg and 3 tablespoons of water.
But we're also going to add chocolate icing because we want a chocolatey flavor.
Wait, is this the chocolate icing?
The one that's not thick, then yeah. 'Cause last time I did this, the chocolate icing was a mess. And you really didn't want to do that. It did not look pretty.
Oh, why are you missing the icing with the...
Obviously, so it can taste like chocolate. Don't you like chocolate?
Yeah, can we put some blue dye in it?
Today we're using red.
Is that dye? I thought that was vanilla.
Vanilla. And it's just...
Whoa, look sponge! They're all gone! Yay! I get to open this one.
Okay. Now mix the colors. See what you get. Mix the colors. You see. Mix the colors. See what you get. Gotta mix the colors. Look at all this powdery powder. Okay. So now we need 3 eggs because on the box it said we needed 1. 1 egg for 1 pack. So I'm thinking we need 3 eggs.
If no one's told you yet, you're a genius and an artist.
I'm guessing we cracked.
We cracked.
Ah!
Oh.
Turns out I'm bad at opening eggs.
And it turns out there were no baby chicks inside, so that's good.
We need some 3 tablespoons.
Oh, wow. I have a feeling we need to know that. Well, I didn't do anything. See, I'm just mixing.
Okay, so I have 3 tablespoons of water.
Okay. How many? 1, 2. It's not helping. 3.
We need 9 because we have 3.
Wait, so 3 for each.
Yeah, 3 times 3.
I know my maths.
7,
8. Nearly there.
9. That is all the water. I need to help mix. This is unfair.
It's 1 more tablespoon. It doesn't look right. Half a tablespoon.
That's like nothing.
Fine then. There you go.
Ew! Disgusting!
Fine then.
That is healthy water, by the way. I helped you mix because you aren't doing the sides. All the sides were all flat.
I think we're forgetting the red food.
Imagine if it turns out purple like last time.
No, it's because I added red and blue.
This is appalling.
Appalling.
It's not even mixing.
I think we need a bit more water.
Water.
Water. I need a bowl of water.
So, we need
Slap.
water.
I slapped the cake.
If it
I'm
becomes
sorry.
too
I'm sorry,
sludgy,
cake.
then
I'm
it'll
sorry,
be your
cake.
fault.
If it becomes too dry, then it's not my fault.
Have some water. No, I don't need any more. That is maybe like 1 tablespoon.
Yeah. 2. But okay, this is fine. It's fine.
Before we continue, make sure to like,
Subscribe.
and hit the notification bell.
Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, better make it ding like.
Oh, by the way,
I was gonna drink that.
delicious. Shiloh, you've already added so much blue dye. I mean red.
Look what I have.
Let me see. Is it for? Oh wait, these now.
But you don't know what it's for. So right now we have cake mix, some butter, and a butter knife. So we're going to use the butter and the knife to spread them, put it around and down everywhere. So when we put the cup holders in, they won't like stick. Repetition. Make sure it's good. Nice. So, while Shaun mixes over there, I'm going to be over here. Ooh, wow. Mix it around inside. I know it doesn't look good right now, but I swear and I promise you, when the thing is done, it's very helpful. Because it doesn't need to be pretty. It just needs to work.
I think it should be pretty mixed, anyway. Just wait till you try to put all of the butter. I don't think you might want to rush that.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 down, 6 more to go.
Carefully share the sponge mixture between the 12 cupcake cases, making sure you have a little bit in each. So basically,
But since these are 12 each,
we might need to make more. We put them in the cases. Put a little bit in each, not so much.
A little bit.
We don't want it to blow up.
They look flat. I want to taste it.
Not supposed to taste butter.
They look like custard. How come I did when I was making my cupcake batter?
Bake them in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes until they rise. So yeah, be right back. Be right back! I'm gonna take them to the oven.
Delicious pink cupcakes.
You try this cake. It's brown. I guessed it.
Actually, first you said orange. Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
Well, that's hot. I don't think you should eat it.
I'm very smart, so it's like hot pie.
Look at the inside.
It's pink.
It's pink. It's a bit hot. And if you're using food coloring, do not put so much.
So what would you rate this out of 10?
10 out of 10.
I would rate this 10.5 out of 10.
What? That's over 10. Make sure to like,
Subscribe,
and hit the notification bell.
the wrong way.
So you never miss another video.
Bye. Hi, my name is Shiloh.
Right, man.
Take 2.
Sit down. Hi, my name's Shaun.
Hi, my name is Shiloh.
Welcome to the Shaun and
Shiloh baking.
What? Oh my God! We go down again. Hi, my name's Shaun.
Hi, my name is Shiloh.
Welcome to Shiloh's baking series.